All right, Big Daniel, Import Life Media, bringing you another episode. And today, we're in the beautiful city of Carson, California, where we're at R1Concepts. So not only are we at the main warehouse, their hub, they have an open house. They open it up to the public, and it's their 20th anniversary. Let's check it out, and as always, let's see what they talking about. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy.
Did you see that?
If you haven't figured it out yet, R1Concepts not only leads the industry, but they specialize in brake parts, anything and everything dealing with brakes, calipers, rotors, cross drill, slotted, and they're the best in the industry. It doesn't matter what type of vehicle you have, truck, car, van, off-road vehicle, they have whatever you need. Check out R1Concepts, 20th anniversary. Let's get back to these cars. Huh? Do you have a size damn? I'm
no,
a big boy.
What size you wear? 3X? He's in Mark.
Gotcha. If you have a 3X, if that's the biggest one, I'll take it.
Got it, okay.
Appreciate
They
you.
should have their email on there.
Yeah.
I used to be a 5X. I think I've actually, yeah.
Did you really?
Oh, yeah. So
Hell yeah. 20th anniversary. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. I'm Daniel.
Joe,
Nice to meet you. Pleasure. Sure. Hey man, look, you already know what I'm about to say. You already know. Like, subscribe, follow your boy. I told you I'm everywhere. Literally, I'm everywhere. If you guys want to see me someplace, if you got something going on, leave it in the comment section. Or you can just subscribe and stalk me and see where I'm at as I'm there. Do it. Holla. Dude, all right, so look, so far, this is a dope event. You're seeing all kind of on-road, off-road vehicles, like fully customized. They got the vendors here. They got places to eat. You know what I mean? It's very comfortable. Look at all this. This right here is all their warehouse. They will give you whatever you need, ship it out fast, so they can start to slow your car down a lot faster. Boom, bars, did that. Came up with it myself, Black Aristotle. Hello. You already know how we do at these shows, you know what I'm saying? Raffles are our friends. So we're at the Nitto booth right now. We're waiting on them, start calling out some numbers. I only got one this time, but hopefully this is a winner. And I don't even know what it is that they're raffling off. It might be a pen. Oh well, I'll win a pen. At least I didn't have one before, now I do. But we'll see.
All right, second ticket is 995727.
Wow.
995727. All right. Here you go.
One number away. Damn.
Okay, ticket number 995723.
It's crazy. 3 away.
995733. For the last prize, ticket number 995730.
Man, I ain't getting nothing, dog. All right, I'm on my way out, man. Super dope event. They had the cars, the trucks, the SUVs, the minivans. They had the raffles. They had food. They had giveaways and a lot of good energy. Everybody was positive. But I want to say thank you to R1Concepts for not only opening up the warehouse for everybody to check out, but also happy 20th anniversary to y'all, man. Keep it going. Leading the market brakes, brake parts, and if you need anything, holla at them. They'll ship whatever parts to you fast to start to slow you down faster. I really like that. Yeah, I need to copyright that. All right, y'all. Import Life. Follow me on Instagram at Import Life Media. And if you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe, y'all. Until next time. Peace.